Flatwoods, Humans, and Pleasantville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be. Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near White Bluff, or 10 miles southwest of Ashland City, moving east at 35 miles per hour, southwest hazard, 60 miles per hour, 5 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. White Bluff, Belmead, Kingston Springs, Pegram, Ridgetop, Burns, Bellevue, Antioch, Jolton, Pleasant View, and Charlotte. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 186 and 217. Interstate 65 between mile markers 77 and 97. Interstate 24 between mile markers 28 and 58. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Nashville, Madison, Goodlettsville, Millersville, Forest Hill, Oak Hill, Cooperstown, White Bluff, Kingston Springs, Interstate 40, Bellevue, Antioch, Jolton, Pleasant View, and Charlotte. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 186 and 217. Interstate 65 between mile markers 77 and 97. Interstate 24 between mile markers 28 and 58. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Burns, Charlotte, and Bel-Air. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 164. Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Middle Tennessee, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located. Madison, Hendersonville, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, Millersville, Lakewood, Ridgetop, Hermitage, Old Hickory, Green Hill, Bethpage, Bledsoe Creek State Park, Dickerson Chapel Recreation Area, and Cottontown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 87 and 103. Interstate 24 between mile markers 42 and 49. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Hendersonville, Mount Juliet, Ridgeville, Millersville, Lakewood, Ridgetop, Hermitage, Old Hickory, Green Hill, Bethpage,
between mile markers 87 and 103. Interstate 24 between mile markers 42 and 49. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Interstate 24 between mile markers 42 and 49. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, streams, light and flood prone locations. Flooding may occur in
central Butler County in south-central Kentucky, southern Edmonson County in south-central Kentucky, central Warren County in south-central Kentucky until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bowling Green, Glasgow, Brownsville, Smiths Grove, Park City, Oakland, Woodbury, Loving, Tuckertown, and Folksville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In Nashville at 6 p.m.